Hi, I'm Brian Murray, owner of Lake of the Ozarks Appliance Service. So today we're going to be installing the StreamLabs control at this beautiful home behind me in beautiful Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. Lake of the Ozarks is a jewel in the middle of Missouri that incorporates a 100-mile lake. We are primarily a vacation home second market. We range in temperatures between anywhere from 0 degrees in the wintertime to 100 degrees in the summertime. All of this is potentially causing you a danger to your home and property. Everybody's been looking for a device like the StreamLabs control, but they don't necessarily know what it is, so you have to introduce the homeowner to it. They want to have the peace of mind while they're away from their home, and then they also want the ability to check in and see what's going on. They're able to do that with StreamLabs control. You make 2 cuts, put the device in, tighten it down, and you're good. Initially, you set it up through your iPhone. It's actually a very easy step-by-step process. Then you just go on and you log on to your app. The initial screen shows you an overall usage, and then you click on it to get your further data. I'll actually get an alert on my phone of a higher usage of water. Now at that point, I can look down at the app, decide whether that's a problem or not. If it is a problem, I just tap on the close valve and I can shut it off. One of the biggest things that I like about the device is that it is actually a brass body device, and it's a straight flow-through device. So you get the full 1-inch water pressure through it. There's a ball valve that shuts the device off. There are other products out on the market, but the issue with those is they would not do the technological stuff that I wanted to do. You could not get the room humidity. You could not get the water pressure. You could not get the ability to turn it off. It would work also with an iPhone and Android device and some tablet devices. StreamLabs Control fit all those parameters, and that's why I chose it. All of this is about being proactive versus being reactive when it comes to your property at the lake. Probably 3 times a day, I get to hear about horror stories in my appliance service business about leaks, floods, dishwashers leaking, toilets leaking, whatever. A lot of homeowners have a story. I'd rather prevent them from having a story. Protect your home, protect your investment by StreamLabs Control.